హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు లా ట్యుటోరియల్స్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఏపీ అండ్ TSlawcetలోని ఎక్కువ వెయిటేజ్ ఉన్న పార్ట్ సి లీగల్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్లోని కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. 91st question. Forms of oaths or affirmations from constitutional authorities are contained in dash schedule of the Constitution of India. Option A, first schedule. Option 2, second schedule. Option 3, third schedule. Option 4, fourth schedule. Correct answer is option 3, third schedule. 92nd question. Members of the National Human Rights Commission are appointed by Prime Minister, Speaker, Chief Justice of India, President of India. Correct answer is option 4, President of India. The subsidiary of which American company was held responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? Option A, General Motors. Option B, General Electrical. Option C, Union Carbide Corporation. Option D, Imran. Correct answer is option C, Union Carbide Corporation. The global movement against sexual abuse and harassment of women perpetrated by powerful men in a society is known as A, Sunrise Movement. B, Women's Liberation Movement. C, Time to Change. D, Me Too. Correct answer is option 4, Me Too. 96th question. Who was the first temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. B, K.M. Munshi. C, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. D, B.N. Rao. Correct answer is option A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. 97th question. Who famously observed that the life of the law has not been logic, it has been experience? A, Mahatma Gandhi. B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C, Nelson Mandela. D, Oliver Wendell Holmes. 98th question. The book entitled De Lespe de Loi by Montesquieu is about separation of powers, principles of natural justice, rule of law, theory of checks and balances. Correct answer is option A, separation of powers. 99th question. The principle of corporate social responsibility is statutorily recognized under which law? A, the Companies Act 1956. B, the Companies Act 2013. C, the Banking Companies Regulation Act 1949. D, the Income Tax Act 1961. Correct answer is option B, the Companies Act 2013. Next question. For the purpose of commission of an offense, a juvenile is a person under the age of A, 18 years. B, 16 years. C, 21 years. D, 15 years. Correct answer is option A, 18 years. Next question. The famous judgment of Indian Supreme Court in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy's case 2018 is concerned with A, right of women to worship at Sabarimala. B, Unique Identification Authority of India. C, Democratization of adultery. D, Administrative tribunals. Correct answer is option B, Unique Identification Authority of India. Next question. The State Recognition Act was passed in the year A, 1952. B, 1954. C, 1955. D, 1956. Correct answer is option D, 1956. Next question. The Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act was passed in the year A, 2011. B, 2012. C, 2013. D, 2015. Correct answer is option C, 2013. Next question. Who among the following judges of the Supreme Court of India was superseded by his junior judge for the appointment as Chief Justice of India? A, Justice Parfula Chandra Natwarlal Bhagavati. B, Justice Vidyanandpuram Ramayar Krishnaya. C, Justice Hansraj Khanna. D, Justice Dheerajlal Ambilal Desai. Correct answer is option C, Justice Hansraj Khanna. Next question. Which of the following laws recognizes the liability of a celebrity for endorsing a product provided to be defective? A, the Copyright Act 1957. B, the Consumers Protection Act 2019. C, the Compensation Act 2002. D, the Celebrity Liability Act 2020. Correct answer is option B, the Consumers Protection Act 2019. The act of making a false spoken statement damaging the reputation of a person is known as option A, slander. Option B, libel. Option C, malicious prosecution. Option D, assault. Correct answer is option A, slander. Here, defamation means harming someone's reputation by spreading a false statement about them. Defamation is of two types. One is libel and a slander. Slander means defamation by spoken or made words through gestures. Libel means defamation made by written or made in pictures. Witnessing the execution of an instrument and affixing signature certifying such execution by an executant is called A. Authorization, B. Attestation, C. Delegation, B. Subrogation. Attestation. Correct answer is option B. Attestation. A members of a public service commission shall hold office for a term of dash years. A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6 years. Correct answer is option D 6 years. Next question. No tax shall be levied or collected except by A. Authority of law, B. Order of the President, C. Order of the Finance Commission, D. Order of the Prime Minister. Correct answer is option A. Authority of law. The Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act was enacted in the year A. 1980, B. 1985, C. 1989, D. 1995. Correct answer is C. 1989. Which recent state enactment provides the death penalty for offences like rape, gang rape, and spreading up trials of such offence within 21 years? A. The Telangana Disha Act 2019. B. The Kerala Protection of Women Act 2020. C. The Delhi Nirbhaya Act 2016. D. The Andhra Pradesh Disha Act 2019. Correct answer is option D. The Andhra Pradesh Disha Act 2019. When a proclamation of emergency is in operation, the right to move any court for the enforcement of a fundamental rights, except those guaranteed under dash, can be suspected. A. Article 14 and 19, B. Article 19 and 21, C. Articles 20 and 21, D. Articles 21 and 25. Correct answer is option C. Articles 20 and 20. Which constitutional amendment recently extended the deadline for the cessation for the reservation of seats for members from scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies by a period of 10 years? Option A 105th Amendment, Option B 102nd Amendment, Option C 103rd Amendment, Option 4 104th Amendment. Correct answer is option D under 104th Amendment. The subjects on which panchayats have powers and responsibilities are contained in which schedule of the Constitution of India? A. 7th schedule, B. 10th schedule, C. 11th schedule, D. 12th schedule. Correct option is option C under 11th schedule. The meaning of Latin maxim ubi jus ibi remedium is A. Where there is a remedy, there is a justice. B. Where there is injustice, there is a right. C. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. D. Where there is a remedy, there is a right. Correct answer is option C. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. Ram cut down a tree on Govind's ground with the intention of dishonestly taking the tree out of the Govind's possession without Govind's consent. Here, as soon as Ram has served the tree in order to such taking, he has committed the offense of dash A. Cheating, B. Theft, C. Criminal misappropriation, D. Environmental pollution. Option B. Theft. The punishment of life imprisonment for the offense of a rape resulting in persistent vegetative state of victims means option A. Imprisonment for 14 years, B. Imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life, C. Imprisonment for 10 years during good conduct, D. Imprisonment for 20 years. Correct answer is option B. Imprisonment for the remainder of that person's natural life. Every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of dash hours of such arrest, excluding the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the court of the magistrate. A. 20 hours, B. 22 hours, C. 24 hours, D. 48 hours. Correct answer is option C, within 24 hours. Causing public nuisance amounts to A. Thought, B. An offense, C. A breach of contract, D. A hate crime. Correct answer is option B. Causing public nuisance amounts to an offense. What is the minimum educational qualification prescribed to become a member of parliament in India? Option A, no such qualifications prescribed. Option B, first class pass in 10th standard. Option C, first class pass in 10 plus 2 examinations. Option D, any graduate. Correct answer is option A, no such qualifications prescribed. Any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of a public under the Information Technology Act 2002 is called as A. IT Resource Center, B. Browsing Center, C. Internet Center, D. Cyber Cafe. Correct answer is option D. Cyber Cafe.
Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe now for more updates about AP and TSlawcet. And don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates.